It's time for car versus car contest. Every week, 2 contestants will show off their car to compete to win a $100 Amazon gift card for me. And the winner will be chosen by you in a poll at the end of this video. And here comes this week's contestants.
Hey guys, this is my 2002 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am WS6. It has the stock manual T56 transmission containing 3.42 gears. WS6 was GM's RPO code for the Ram Air Performance and Handling package. This included functional air scoops, 17-inch wheels, low restriction dual exhaust, and a tuned suspension. Pontiac only produced about 2,000 black Trans Am WS6s in 2002. This car is the last of its breed, since the Firebird was produced from 1967 to 2002, making this the last model year. Pontiac went defunct in 2010 due to bankruptcy. A cool fact of this specific car is that it was manufactured in May, which is just 3 months before the end of production in August. This car came with the standard T-tops with the removable glass panels that store in the trunk. Pontiac was actually cool and sporty enough to even include adjustable bolsters and lumbar support in their seats. Under the hood is the all-aluminum 5.7-liter LS1 V8 engine. Pontiac advertised this car with 325 horsepower and 350 pound-feet of torque. This engine actually has an LS6 intake from the factory, since General Motors implemented the new intake from 2001 to 2002 on all Trans Ams. Upgrades that have been done to this car include SLP airbox, full SLP loudmouth exhaust and long tube headers, SLP strut tower brace, chromoly rear control arms, torque bar, track bar, 2-point subframe connectors, Spec 3 clutch, WS6 ECU gauge, C5 Corvette rims, and a JBL amp and sub. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more of my car, check out my Instagram at BellrogWS6.
This is my 2015 Subaru BRZ. This car was first released in 2013 as a joint production with Subaru and Toyota. So in turn, it's also known as the Scion FRS or the Toyota 86, with each company releasing their own respective versions of it. I actually own both Subaru BRZ and Scion FRS. My wife actually drives that one as well. But the Subaru BRZ features a flat 4 boxer engine made by Subaru, pushing 200 horsepower. So based off that, this car wasn't designed to be very fast. It is designed to have a low center of gravity, very lightweight, extremely good handling car. Here's some audio clips of the exhaust. This particular model, or this particular one of mine, is actually supercharged.
Well, that was this week's videos. And remember, to have your car shown here and to compete to win, email me a picture of your car and I'll choose the best ones to show in next week's episode. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.